such a morning. You can see Starbucks comes out. I was not prepared for this cold. Good morning, babes and broskies. Welcome back to another vloggy vlog. This morning I am not feeling very chatty, so the first couple of minutes of this vlog are rather quiet, or more quiet than usual, I would say. I'm hoping that you enjoy it regardless, and don't forget to give this video a like, okay? Just for a bit of insight on what we're doing this morning, I actually had a test that I was so unprepared for and I was running late, hence why I was not doing a lot of talking. But luckily for me, I did make it to class on time and the test was actually pretty easy. Super late to my class, guys. Guys, we just had a test. It was just simple, thank God, because I was not prepared for this course, but it was a really simple test.
My just get stomach like that. My chief
How was that?
Canada don't complete.
It was breeze. See you guys. Bye. Woo. Let's go get coffee. It's been such a morning. I'm so tired. Thank you.
Ellie, dash me money now. Dash me money. You when they do work, when they house, if they don't give us, we know they eat.
You go do alright, so what?
Hello.
Hi, Professor.
Did you already have a class in the morning?
Yeah.
Oh, that's why I thought.
How are you, Professor?
Yes. The weekend I'm good.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Okay, so guys, we finished classes, but we are dealing with one very serious assignment. Very serious assignment that we all just stayed back in class for. We're about to lock the fuck in. I thought that
day regarding the assignment that last week. Since I just smile, meaning you know it now. Tell us now.
You know what? Let me put it in chat.
No, it's not.
Let me put it in chat and
exactly.
ask chat to explain the requirements of this assignment because
Yeah.
I don't think I understand what the hell is happening. Thank you. Secured. Let's go back. Okay, this is my order. Chicken shawarma, and I cannot eat chicken in front of you.
Huh? What? No worries.
No worries, it's okay. Okay, guys, Nishika is vegetarian. Are you all vegetarian?
Yeah.
Oh. Guys, Jesus, I'm eating chicken in front of vegetarians. It's not somehow. But yeah, my order is a chicken shawarma. It's a chicken.
It's a Mexican
shawarma with salads. Bon appetit. This is so good. You guys are not even going to believe it, but it's been 2 days since that last clip. Today is Wednesday. That was on a Monday. That day I was fighting for my life. We left that place by past 8 p.m. I came home, I finished that work, I started another one that ended at like 4 a.m. I woke up by 8 the next morning, so I just knew I was not even going to vlog. With 4 hours of sleep, I had 2 presentations, I had 1 test. I said, So I just kept my camera on one side and faced my day head on. But today things are a little different. I think I had like 10 plus hours of sleep. You know, I'm feeling really good. I'm feeling very rejuvenated, and my skin looks a little dry. But for the meantime, time is 4:14. I have ordered some groceries that are supposed 14 is 56. I ordered some groceries that are supposed to come around like 5 p.m. or like 7ish. I don't know. For the meantime, I'm supposed to be washing the bathroom because it's my turn to do that. So that's what we're going to do now while we wait for our groceries. So you should come and wash bathroom with me. I'm alive. I'm alive. I'm alive. I think I'm going to change out of these and wear something shorter. Give me a minute. Okay, change into boxers. Let's clean, chop chop. Grocery is arriving in 3 minutes. I'm so hungry. Morning. I'm heading to the gym this morning, and before I go, I just want to prepare my chia seeds so that when I get back, they'll be ready. I'm using these white chia seeds and my cutesy Starbucks cup that my lovely friend got for me. I'm not exactly sure how you're supposed to prepare chia seeds, but I think you just put it in water. How do I prepare chia seeds? Let's go to the gym. It appears I'm the only one in this room, which makes me so happy. I had a really good workout, guys. I have not worked out in such a long time. I feel so stiff. Before I go, I'm gonna get coffee. Because what will wake me up better than coffee? Thank you. Hi guys, it's been a couple of hours. I got home and realized that I did not have my mic on me. I think it was like 45 minutes after I had gotten home, and then I just started looking for my mic and realized that it might have fallen off somewhere. So I took a bath, I got dressed, and I headed back outside to retrace my steps. I still did not find it. I saw one of my friends on the way that helped me look everywhere for it. We went to security, we went to Lost and Found, and we still didn't find it. We didn't find it on our way. I'm honestly so devastated. I got home and it was just such a cut the camera moment for me. I'm really trying not to cry right now. I was already having a very, very, very hectic, bad week. I'm just going to stay hopeful, and whether or not I find it, I will be fine. I'm just telling myself I will be fine. It was very expensive, but it's okay. It's okay. I have a class in an hour. I haven't eaten anything all day, so I'm just going to study a little bit and eat, and yeah, that's just, what can I do?